waking up early in the morning, not fun at all. But your girl gotta do what she's gotta do. I would usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning to get ready, to wash myself up, pray, eat my breakfast for a long day ahead. It all starts well if you get ready early and if you have everything prepared. A lot of questions I have been receiving since I was working a year ago is that how did you do it? How can you manage studying and working full-time both at the same time? Well, my answer will be, first, get up early every day. Studying can be challenging on its own. Watch how a PR student do it while working. Other than having early mornings, I will always indulge myself to focus as much as I can at every moment of the day. If you are studying, do it right. Focus. Listen to lectures, write your notes, do practices, do your assignments. When you have the time to do it, do it. Simultaneously, you should also take care of yourself. Go for a drive. Buy your groceries, do laundry, go buy yourself some food. HSBC taught me a lot of things. And if I have to choose one, it is to be brave. I tried so many new things with HSBC. The speak up culture they have, the kindness they share, and of course, the bank knowledge. So what's really important when you are studying while working? Learn as much as you can. Absorb everything you can while both working and studying. If you want the honest truth of is it really easy or is it really hard studying while working, I will say it's hard. You'll get very tired doing assignments during your lunch break, having to do assessments at the office, tests, exams sometimes. Imagine having an exam at 8 a.m. until 9 and then a meeting from 9 to 12. I have been there. You will have your schedule as packed as it can be. But trust me, it's all worth it in the end. You'll gain so many experiences. So tiring, but so worth it. My mornings usually start around 6:30 and it will always end around 12-ish or more sometimes. So you can imagine how tiring that would be. But, like I said, it's worth it. It's fun, it's fulfilling, it's tiring, but I laugh somehow. I enjoy it. It's like everything is just not tiring anymore. So the last one will be enjoy it.